To hide your WordPress site from the public, you can employ several methods to restrict access. Password Protect. Use a plugin or built-in feature to password protect your entire site or specific pages. Visitors will need to enter a password to access the content. Maintenance Mode. Activate Maintenance Mode to display a temporary message or landing page while your site is under construction or undergoing changes. This prevents visitors from viewing your site's content. Private Mode. WordPress has a built-in feature that allows you to make your site private. You can toggle this setting in the reading settings, restricting access to only logged-in users. Disable search engine indexing. Use the discourage search engines from indexing this site option in WordPress settings to prevent search engines from indexing your site. This doesn't fully hide your site, but it makes it less likely to appear in search results. Restrict access by IP. Implement IP address restrictions using a security plugin or server configurations to allow access only from specific IP addresses.